Sailor Pauli here, talking about micro adjustments. If you haven't seen my other 5-minute videos on sheet to tiller self-steering, you should, because this one's about making micro adjustments once you have your boat set up like this, with the elastic in red attaching the tiller to the leeward side of the boat, and then the sheet to tiller line in the green fleck running through the windward blocks across the cabin attaching to the jib sheet in blue with a Magnus hitch. Okay, at this point we're a little too much windward with the sheet to tiller setup, so I'm going to back it off falling out, and that's going to be the adjustment. Releasing jib sheet, letting it out a little bit. So once you've set up your sheet to tiller system, whether it's the upwind system or the downwind system, you can fine-tune your course heading with these micro adjustments of the jib sheet or the main sheet if you happen to be using the upwind system.
Not too pushy yet, but it's getting there.
If we wanted to turn a little more upwind, we would tighten our jib sheet. Whoa! Look how fast she moved. Just turned a lot. That's not really where I want it, so I'm going to let her out. Just a couple inches. That actually gives us more pull on the sheet to tiller line,